ua mau ke ea o ka aina I ka pono o Hawaii ua mau ke ea o ka aina I ka pono o Hawaii. Just for a day our king and queen would visit all these islands and saw everything. How would they feel about the changes of our land? Could you just imagine if they were around and saw highways on the sacred grounds? How would they feel about this modern city life? Tears would come from each other's eyes as they would start to realize that our people are in great, great danger now. Smiles, be content, than and cry. Cry for the gods, cry for the people, cry for the land that was taken away. And then yet you'll find Hawaii. Could you just imagine if they came back and saw traffic lights and railroad tracks? How would they feel about this modern city life? Tears would come from each other's eyes and they would start to realize that our land is in great, great danger now. Fighting that the king had done to conquer all these islands, now there's condominiums. How would he feel if he saw Hawaii? How would he feel? Would his smile be content than and cry? Taken away, and then yet you'll find Hawaii. Ua mau ke ea o ka aina I ka pono o Hawaii. Ua mau How's that?